These fun and simple videos about everyday objects explaining how they work are getting millions of views. Here's how you can make them too. Open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Object Talk, select it, and click Start Chat. Then type the object you want your video to be about. For example, type JCB. The GPT will generate 5 different text-to-image prompts, 5 short scripts. The first prompt is your main prompt, focused on your main object. The other 4 prompts are for related objects. Copy the main prompt from the GPT's output and open Google Flow. Go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Choose the Nano Banana Pro model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, shorts, paste your prompt, and click Create. Wait a few moments and your image will be ready. Now it's time to turn your image into a talking video. Go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow, you click Image to Video, and choose the Omni Flash model. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and click Generate. Wait a few minutes and your talking video will be ready.
I'm built to dig, lift, and clear what stands in the way. Every scoop shapes roads, homes, and dreams. Don't mistake my size for noise. I'm precision wrapped in power.
Repeat the same process for the other 4 prompts to create the complete video. I tested this method with several different objects, and these are the results I got.
Another beautiful morning to build a city. All right, team, let's keep it safe out there today.
You'll find all the tools and links I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content.